Umbhali nophinde abe ngusonkondlo uSamuel Mqhayi, owayaziwa kakhulu ngo-S.E.K. Mqhayi, waba neqhaza elikhulu ekubhaleni ingxenye yeculo lesizwe ngesiXhosa.
He also contributed to newspapers and wrote the 7 stanzas of Nkosi Sikelel' iAfrika. He also used his literary talents to critique colonialism and advance and advocate for African unity.
Umndeni wakwaMqhayi uthi ukukhunjulwa kuka-S.E.K. kusho lukhulu kuwo.
Bese sicimba fanele bawulibalekile. Kanti hayi akanawuze alibaleke naphakade ngenxa yemisebenzi yakhe ayenzele isizwe esintsundu. Remember, u-S.E.K. Mqhayi ngulungazange aphumle uthathe usiba wabhala ezama ukuqinisekisa into yoba isiXhosa sakokwethu amasiko nezithethe awasoza lahleke ngonaphakade.
Isifundazwe sithi kubalulekile ukuthi abantu abasha bezibandakanye nemizamo yokugcina ulwimi.
It's to inculcate also a culture in the youth and the learners of reading. And through the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, we have come up with quite a number of programs. We have partnered with the Department of Education, where we take learners from schools to go to the libraries. We have established book clubs.
U-S.E.K. Mqhayi wazalwa mhla lulunye kuZibandlela ka-1875. Wadlula emhlabeni mhla zingama-29 kuNtulikazi ka-1945.